But and Kip, episode 15, Kip Circus. Kip was still thinking about the circus. Suddenly he heard something. Yip yip, a puppy was loose. The puppy was running right toward Kip. Yip yip, buck, said the puppy. Ha! cried Kip. The Kip jumped into a bush. The puppy got hold of a branch. Then the puppy let go. Kip flew down the air like a carpet. Kip landed in the tree. He walked like a tightrope walker. Then the branch snapped. Kip fell down to the ground. The puppy waved its tail. Yip yip, it barked. The puppy just wanted to play. Kip had an idea. Sit down, said Kip. The puppy sat down. Roll over, said Kip. The puppy rolled over. Wow, said Kip. I am a puppy tamer. You put on a great show, both said, just like a circus, said Kip.